up for this guy. He's been growing. We've known him for only a few months, actually. He's been growing exponentially, not horizontally, exponentially. He is a man from Arusha.
Arachuga in the house.
He's got a really crazy sense of humor and he's got amazing stories. So without much ado, please
give it up
for Clayton Msosa.
Ni aje. Nikisema ni aje unasema ojijo. Ni aje. That's nice, man. I'm so excited being here, you know. Very excited. Nilipofika pale nje na pikipiki nikaona Serena. I was like, oh my God. Mama yangu anafanya kazi miaka 39 serikalini. Hajawahi kuingia Serena. Mimi miezi mikazaa tu punchline. Man, I'm so excited. I really thank you all for coming. You know, like, without you guys, singekuwa hapa. And I'm so happy because last week I got a comedy gig at Arusha. All thanks to you guys. Yeah, man. I went at Arusha. I saw my mom. I saw my son. For those who don't know, I'm a father. Yeah, having a crazy father like me is... Yeah. So after I reached home, I was like, hey, mom, baby. Akunjibu. She just looked at my son and she was like, hey, mwambie babako. Mwambie. And this is what my son said. Mi baba, mi sitaki kwenda shule. And I was like, Def, utakwenda wapi? Kwenda shule. Kwa nini? Mi baba, mi kiendaga shule kina Ibra. Wanachukuaga mi begi langu afu wanakula biskuti zangu. Kimomo was like, yes, now that is his father's son. Because I was bullied too as a kid. Yeah, I know I don't look like I was bullied, but I was bullied. I was this fat kid. You understand? Yeah, so this is what I told my son. His name is Edward. I was like, Edward, tulikupa hilo jina kwa sababu Edward ni mtu mmoja mashuhuri. Edward is a hustler. Edward haonewi. Wewe unakubalije kuonewa? I'm not talking about Edward Lowassa. I'm talking about Edward Moringe Sokoine. It was wonderful having you. That was my time. My name is Clayton Msosa, all the way from Arusha.
That's right. Oh! Wapigie makofi tafadhali akina mama wote duniani. Yeah, one more time please for Clayton Msosa.